What's going on, everybody? Hope everybody's having a great weekend so far. I just want to go over a quick trade recap from yesterday. Didn't really have time to do it yesterday after work, so I'm just going to get it done today. So let's just dive right in. My trade was from this morning on SANP, just a recent runner. So how I just look at this was to see the breakout here over 34, 35-ish. And we get a huge, nice first green day on that breakout day, and then we get the run. That's basically what started the whole run, topping out at 34.8, and then it's just been consistent red days all the way back down pretty close to that breakout level. Um, so you got some good support in here, but just looking for like the number five. So it's just a Tim Sykes, what is it, a penny stocking framework. I'm pretty sure that's the DVD, where he just talks about like the whole overall framework and pattern. So you get a huge supernova play, and then finally the trend turns and it goes red, and you have multiple red days where it's just giving up all its gains that it had, and then finally it puts in a bottom, and you get that momentum shift, and then you look for the stock to go green. So it's a number five first green day pattern. And so I've been tracking this recently. I don't have enough data to have any kind of stats on it yet, but collecting a lot of data, and pretty soon I'll be able to have all the stats for it, which would be nice. But I'll just dive into kind of how I played it. Saw this was green in the morning, and it was trading nice volume, and so I was definitely interested. And when I saw it was in here, and when it dipped back below VWAP, and was kind of, it perked up but failed, and it was just kind of back and forth, putting in some higher lows here. And when it perked through VWAP again, I took small size. I only had like $600 in, and I'm being trained for work, and so really didn't want to be on my phone, and I really wanted to watch this because I really wanted to add if this worked out, which I really wanted to add in here when it was holding VWAP really nicely. But yeah, I just couldn't watch it. I was being trained for work, and so pretty soon when I'm done being trained in like a month, I'll be able to play these so much better. I'll be working on my own. I'll have the whole mornings to myself, and I think it's gonna be a big it's gonna be really nice for me in the future with my trading. So I'm really excited for that. But yeah, I just took small size here, and just sold. My plan was to sell into the high of day break, but I just, for some reason, it was just super uncomfortable because I couldn't watch this at all. Like I couldn't even check on it. So I just wanted to make sure if I was right. I just took my single, and just finished the week on a really good note. Even though it's not big dollar gains or anything like that, it's a nice 10% win. It's a nice snipe on an ideal pattern, and I was already 2 for 2 on the week, and I had my first $1,000 trade. And so I just really didn't want to like give up any gains or like have a stupid trade, like on a Friday to ruin the week kind of for me. And so this was just the one play that really stuck out. And I just took small size. That way, if I was wrong, I'm not losing anything big. And so, yeah, it ended up working out. I would have liked to add in here and then just sell into the high of day break, which it got a really weak high of day break, but it held up and kept holding trend and making higher lows. And it just got this nice push. All the shorts were covering this day. Nice momentum buyers coming in. This was a beautiful play. This is an ideal number five. And so as soon as I'm done with this video, I'm going straight to my spreadsheets, and I'm logging all this in, taking screenshots of everything, and then just going to review my trades for the week and make a watch list and prep for Monday. So that was my play. Ended up being really nice. Another one that is basically like the same, even though this already had the number five, and unusually this gap down. Usually you get some kind of gap up, I've noticed, and you get at least a gap up, and then it washes in the morning. That's with like the lower volume plays, and the ones that don't, like they finish under VWAP. And so I'm still tracking, and I'm still trying to figure out which ones, when they finish above VWAP and they finish kind of strong into the close, and how they gap up and work the next day. So I'll figure that out here pretty soon. But this was another number 5 that tried to kind of like a gap and crap reversal, where you could see like here it closed at like 11.8 and gapped up to like 12.5. And then we got a small washout morning open, and then nice perk, some higher lows, and then it just rips. So nice volatility there, and just ends up making higher lows, holding VWAP really nicely. You just buy into the dips, sell into the rips. If you wanted to just pike it, keep it simple. When I say pike it just means you're taking your quick single. You're not holding it and looking for a bigger move. You're just looking for your quick single. So those are the only two that I was watching really. OZSC was really nice. Basically the number 5 as well. Even though it already had like the number 5s, like some of the green days, it just had continuous red days, and finally you're looking for that momentum shift. Basically held a penny, and just a beautiful first green day and a beautiful pattern here. I take screenshots of all these little triggers, I call them, and yeah, it's been pretty nice. So this was a beautiful chart, beautiful setup, and nice bounces on Friday. So hopefully we get some more plays coming Monday. I'm very excited. Yeah, that's basically all I got. Just a few plays, only sniped the one. Just quick single, nothing big, nothing crazy. And yeah, just trying to find consistency, and just want to take this into next week, see if I can do it all over again. All right, have a good weekend, everybody. Peace.